welcome to my channel, Buhay America Vlog. Ayan, so I'm here again, guys. I make my reaction again kay Diana Ankudinova. So, tara, let's go. Before I'm starting, guys, I would like to thank you to all of you and of course sa aking viewers at subscribers. Ayan, so guys, nagbabalik ako sa aking pangalawang tahanan ng aking YouTube channel, Buhay America Vlog. So, okay, so guys, I'm here. I make my reaction naman. Gawa na naman ako ng reaction kay Diana Ankudinova. Okay, guys. So, before I'm starting, guys, I'm just let you know I'm not professional reactionist, but I try my best na gumawa ko ng reaction para sa inyo uli. Guys, ayan. At guys, before I'm starting, don't forget i-click ninyo ang icon bell para lagi kayo ma-notify sa mga susunod nating mga video. So, don't forget i-click and share and like and comment na, guys. So, tara, let's... Ayan, so panoorin natin uli si Diana Ankudinova sa gagawin nating reaction, guys. Ayan, guys, so tara, let's go at gagawa natin siya ng reaction. So, tara. Ayan, so guys, before I'm starting, ayan, thank you to all your support to my YouTube channel, Buhay America Vlog. And thank you to all subscribers and viewers and to all our friends from Russia. Hello, hello guys. Ayan, thank you to all your support. Thank you so much. Ayan, so, okay guys, just watch it and tara, let's go. Okay guys. The most music. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Oh my god, many more good sound and music I heard from her. Wow. This music is very wonderful. It's still the best to hear. Wow. Relaxing talaga. I love to hear this song. You know, guys, her voice is very smooth. Voice forever. Ayan. The best. The best love to listen to her voice. Awesome. Wow. Love to listen this time. Oh my God. I love this. His song that melt our hearts of love. Always and fantastic talaga. Legend of the beautiful her voice. Wow. Oh my God, guys. Yung aking reaction kay Diana Ankudinova, guys. Ayan. Oh my God. There is more nothing to say. Kasi talagang the best. Very strong voice. Talaga grabe na meron siya. Listening to her voices. And of course, also the sound, guys. Ayan. Calming, smoothing, and joyful, full of happiness and full of relaxing talaga. Guys, thank you for watching to my YouTube channel, Buhay America Vlog, and don't forget share and like and comment na, and don't forget i-click ang icon bell para lagi kayo ma-notify sa aking mga susunod na video. Ayan, thank you so much for watching, guys, and bye!